We're back for part 2. I'm going to be installing 3 of these today. 1 down there in the daycare and 2 back there in the rooms where there's limited Wi-Fi. I did bring, and yes, I charged it last night. This is the last one that I brought the Aircheck G3. We're gonna test the Wi-Fi. But the reason why I brought this is because I can load an app on here to manage these access points, and I'm going to show you guys that, adding these to the wall and then using this to manage them and add them to the portal. So let's have a quick look and see what's in the box. It's tightly packaged, nice and clean. Yes, I made a sticker because these access points, you can only plug in PoE devices to the second port. We'll go over that after. But we got the access point itself, right? We got a couple ports on here. So we got a PoE in port to power the device, but if it's on the wall, which we're gonna be doing also, we can power it this way too and plug in our phone. So we got that. We have our native PoE plate that allows us to put it on the wall and have our jack go through. And then we have instructions, screws with anchors, and a wall mount plate, which is what we're going to be using down there. The other locations, we're going to be using these ones because we're going to pull the cable out of the wall. Access points on there, and I did put a sticker just for people because I really don't want things to happen and no issues with this, but I put a sticker on there for people because sometimes people pull cables out and stuff like that. At least they're going to know that phone only goes in there. I've got my Aircheck. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Now we have to add that to the portal. So what we do is, on my Aircheck, we have the Altalabs Access app. We have our devices, and it should technically be showing us we need to add and adopt a device. There it is right there at the very bottom. So we'll go Setup. Getting ready. This light might start blinking unless it's already been updated. Poof. Added already. So we should be able to see it in here. Where is it? One of our devices is out of date, so let's click on it. I'm going to name it first. I think we could do it here. Name. We're going to call this, what are we in? Daycare, I guess? Daycare. It's on in blue. Now we also have to change one setting here, which is, I believe, under here. PoE, where did they put that? Oh, strange, we can't turn on the PoE here? I just found out that when you go to the app and you add this access point, you can't turn on PoE. So I'm gonna turn it on with this laptop, and we're gonna plug in the phone and see how well that works. Now, I should be able to plug this phone in to this port. Ta-da! It goes green, and it's happy. Now let's move to the next one. Under the desk, pretty easy. The person who installed this, though, used 2 different types of screws. Sounds like a Sparky type of thing. That is definitely not that one. Okay, so what we need is a cable for this. Put that in there. Push this back in here, and take this guy out. Got my sticker on there, and we are going to use this plate. Now, which way was up? I think they go like this. Oh yes, that's right, they snap in like this, and then onto the wall. Easy. You can't use those screws, so we have to use, that's lame, but we have to use the screws that came with this for wall plate because that's what I have. And they're 2 different types. So one's a Robertson and one's a Phillips. Hopefully. There we go. Now that should line up. Ta-da! Now, we should be able to wake this guy up. And if we wait a couple seconds, we should be able to go to network, Set up device. This will start blinking. I had to go into the hallway to get closer to proper Wi-Fi so we can add it. Now we have the actual access point in there. The reason why we're putting Wi-Fi access point down here is because this is a total dead zone. I'm gonna go to the laptop in the other room. I'll be right back, since we can't add PoE function to this, and I'll be right back, and then we'll try the PoE on the phone here. I have this port enabled. Let's see if we get the cable working here. Last one. Oh, and we got a phone. Works good. There we go. Success. On to the third one. Last access points on the wall. Let's see if I can add it to the device. Oh, there it is. Since we got good Wi-Fi down here in this area, because the other room over there, connected, added. This one might need a firmware update because this is brand new. So let's go to the top. Yeah, this one's outdated. So let's go here, update, right now. I am gonna go to the laptop, back in a minute, and enable PoE, and we'll plug in the last phone. Last device, let's test the phone. Woohoo! All right, last test. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna set this up, and we're going to test the Wi-Fi and do a walk around. Quick setup, or a quick test, walk around. I'm gonna let Tony hold this, and then we're gonna see if this device roams from room to room and around the building. Final test, we are going to use the Aircheck to make sure that this device roams. So what we've done is we've done a basic test. It's connected to the Wi-Fi, gives us our readout. Now if we click on the Wi-Fi, we can walk around the building and see our strength, and this should roam as we walk around. So let's let Tony walk around.
All right.
That way, there we go. So as we see, stop for a second here, we've dipped way down because we're away from that access point. If we get closer down to the end of that hallway, it'll come back up and roam to the next access point. There we go, it roamed at the top of the screen there. So now what we'll do is go down to the daycare. We dropped off on the screen there. And now what we'll do is we'll go down here where we put the access point. There it goes.
Okay.
And there we go. It is roamed to the second access point way down here in the daycare. We are done. We've installed 3 access points, tested with this. The roaming is at 3 because we came back down here, and everything is working. I'll follow up with the client next week and make sure that they're happy. They were happy without these access points, but I wanted to give them a better experience down there because Wi-Fi was kind of slowish, but should be way better now. So thanks for watching. Thanks for Tony helping me out, and 2 awesome products used to create an awesome video. So thanks for watching.